Step 1, leave a like on this video. Step 2, subscribe to the channel. If you guys follow those 2 simple steps, you guys will have the best luck of your life for the next 10 years. It goes with winning the lottery, asking out your dream date, winning a brand new car, anything. Everything will go your way. If you don't, well,
It'll be like this.
You'll be like Steven, he's snagged over there. Also, you will find this giant spider crawling up your leg in the middle of the night. I wouldn't chance it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bad Bass Fishing. It's your boy Aaron and Steven, who's snagged in the background. But we are at our favorite little creek. Steven's never been out here, but I've been out here like twice. Oh God. I'm also pretty sick, dying of like coronavirus or something. And honestly, if you guys don't subscribe to the channel, I'm probably gonna die because me and Steven just walked through 3 miles of freezing cold creek water and we don't even know if it's gonna be worth it. But we'll see. Also, today's video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you guys don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, it is a monthly subscription to fishing tackle that'll arrive right at your doorstep every single month, full of fishing tackle that'll catch you fish at the perfect time of the year, at the worst time of the year, anything. If you guys can't catch fish, order a Mystery Tackle Box using my link in the description. It supports me, supports the channel, and it'll help you catch more fish. But we're gonna do a little unboxing here, show you guys what came in February's Mystery Tackle Box, even though there's like 1 day left and this video probably won't be uploaded till March, but better late than never. So, first thing in the box, we got ourselves a Buchan Squad jerkbait. The Scout jerkbait. Is this gonna autofocus on it? Maybe, maybe not. I don't even know if my autofocus is on. Okay, it is. But there you go. A jerkbait. Really nice colors. It's clear. It's got some nice beads. Makes a nice rattling noise. It'll catch fish because the fish are lethargic. The water is freezing cold. These fish don't want anything to do with anything, any kind of bait. Maybe this though. Catch, Steven. Second in our box, we got ourselves a Yozuri 3DB spinnerbait. Me personally, I've never seen a spinnerbait like this. It's got like a little ball as the blade, but I'm gonna guess, it says wave motion, so I'm gonna guess it's gonna make a lot of vibrations in the water and it leaves some weird erratic action. Yeah, so spinnerbait, perfect for this time of the year. Catch, Steven. Next, we got ourselves Carl's Amazing Baits. Little beaver style baits would go perfectly with a low profile jig, which is not in this box. I thought it was, but it'll go good on a jig as a trailer, little jig, little finesse jig, help you catch some fish, or you can throw it on a drop shot. Here we go. Next, we got ourselves some Weston, looks like swim baits. Yeah, little paddle tail swim baits. These look pretty juicy, honestly, but on here, you can Texas rig it, you can jig style, you can hook it jig style, or you can throw it on a drop shot, which is perfect for this time of the year. The drop shot is very effective, and this will catch you some fish. Speaking of drop shot, we got ourselves some Carl's drop shot ball weights. Focus, maybe, no? Focus, there we go. Little ball weights for your drop shot. I don't really know how to explain what this is. It's a weight for your drop shot. Next in our deal, we got ourselves some Bass Dynasty crawfish style plastics. This will go great on a little jig or on your drop shot, which is basically what this box is based off of, drop shots, because the drop shot is highly effective this time of the year and that's where you want to be throwing, especially here. The water's like 5 degrees. But yeah, look how juicy those look. Man, this box is loaded. Next, and the last thing in here, kind of, we got ourselves some live shot-in drop shots. They're basically just pre-rigged drop shots. Looks like a little hair jig. Perfect for walleye, bass, panfish. You just tie one knot and a tag in and wait, and there you go. You don't have to put the hook on there. It's just that. Perfect. You don't even need bait because look at that. It's already on there for you. Here you go. And then you got ourselves little bomb sticker. The stickers are my favorite, to be honest. I love the stickers. And of course, all their boxes come with a what's inside card. Tells you exactly what's inside, how much each bait goes for, and this box is like $25 and you get, let's see, 10, 20, 27, like $50 worth of stuff. So in my opinion, it's worth it. And if you guys would like to check out Mystery Tackle Box, make sure to use the link down below. It's like MTB, bad bass fishing, or bad bass. It'll support me, support you. You'll catch more fish. All right, so that's what we got in our mystery tackle box. Me and Steven, we're gonna attempt to catch some fish in this little hole here. We've got a creek that goes all the way, I'm sorry, I'm dying. It goes all the way back in there. And yeah, we walked like 2 or 3 miles down to the spot. But it's pretty shallow. I mean, it gets like 4 to 5 foot deep in some spots. Right here, it's about between 6 and 10 feet. It's like a little hole. I think my dad used to come out here and swim in it and fish in it and stuff. But see, like, there's like a little dam of rocks basically. It's like a little stream, and it goes off there, washes out that way. But this is the deep hole, so I'm gonna assume most fish are hanging out here. So I'm gonna throw on the chesty. Steven's looking at the mystery tackle box, but we're gonna attempt to catch a fish, and if we don't, well, we'll go to the next spot, I guess. So stay tuned, you won't be disappointed. All right, we got Steven tied up, little hair jig, drop shot weight. That'll be 2 things out of this box. We try to do a slam, where we catch a fish on every one of these baits, but we'll see what happens. Steven got snagged quite a bit earlier, so who knows. I've got myself a jig already tied on here. I'm just gonna tie on one of those. Oh, caught my tripod twice. I'm just gonna tie on one of these little beaver style baits and use it as a trailer, and hopefully we can catch something on with the jig, because this is all gravel on the bottom. So if there's a bass around here somewhere, they're gonna eat this, because Carl knows what's best. All right, there we go. Got a little jig with a little trailer on the back. Maybe we can attempt to catch something. Who knows? We shall see. We're more than likely just gonna get snagged, but let's find out. Snagged or catch a 10-pound smallmouth bass. I actually caught my first smallmouth bass right out of this creek, right in this hole right here. Caught like 5 of them, some pumpkin seeds, and never again anything else. We may not catch anything, but at least we adventured all the way out here through freezing cold waters just to die. I mean, to fish. Oh, right in the tree. My kneecaps hurt. I'm getting old. Oh, I got fishing line. I wonder whose that is. I caught fishing line. I wonder whose it was. Okay, well, I guess we're going to venture back. Nothing really in this hole. Not today, at least.
Is that GoPro waterproof?
Yes, it's waterproof.
Can I wear it?
No. So, I guess we shall head back. Might just keep the GoPro on just so they can kind of see what we have to walk through to get through here.
You're recording?
Yeah. So, I'll leave it on. Maybe put a time lapse or something so you can see what we had to go through to get here. So, wish us luck that we don't die on the way back. Oh god, we gotta walk all across all this again.
Go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is freaking cold. Oh my god, my feet hurt. My feet are burning. Definitely gonna get like the flu or something crazy from this. Oh, it splashed up inside my shorts. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, God, that burned so bad.
Oh, I stepped early.
Yeah, look, that's where I stepped early too. I was eating it.
Why is it warm in here?
This is shallow, stagnant water. Oh God, that is deep in mud. It feels like I'm doing like ice buckets on my ankles again. Like the good old days of high school. And look at all these minnows. Alright. GG's only. You're gonna be up here. Here, go down, I'll just toss it to you. Another part of our adventure. Climbing down the tree over there and going across.
Oh dude, there's mud on my bum.
Whatever you do, do not die. Yeah.
This is not mud, this is poo. Oh, dude, that's bad.
He's gonna leave all this stuff in here. What are you doing? Just get down low and... Fell right through it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna fall. What am I gonna do with all this, Steven? You left all this stuff up here with me.
Keep it. Loser.
That means I gotta go through here twice?
Yeah.
Whatever.
Dude, did you just see me almost die?
Nah, you'll be alright.
My foot just went 3 feet into God knows what.
This is the perfect time to wear a white hoodie. Brand new Bad Bass Fishing Gold merch. So nice. Probably. Yeah, I've been gone for a hot minute. Dude, what are the odds I can just walk all the way across this thing?
Do what you want.
Think I got good enough balance for this?
You won't do it.
I do not condone this at all. Nobody in their right mind ever try walking across something like this, especially with wet Crocs. Oh God.
And it's $1,000 worth of rods in my hand.
Yes. Oh, how good's my balance? Maybe I should be in a circus. Oh, that's right. No obstacle can stop me. Oh, last time I was right here, I fell. Got my bag dirty. Not this time. Hoodie a little dirty, but she'll play. We're home free. Our car is just right up here, and I really hope no one broke into it, because that's just the kind of people we have around here. That's like my last car. I'm gonna turn the GoPro off, cue an outro, because to be honest with you, I really don't feel like fishing anymore today. After all that, I can't feel my feet. There's a 99% chance I'm gonna be sick. So, well, more sick, so yeah, see you at the car. Well, folks, it was an interesting day at the creek. I want to get in my car and turn the heat on my feet because I can't feel my feet because the water was super cold. But there's the measures we have to go through to get content. Just to do a mystery tackle box unboxing, I wanted to make it as majestic and aesthetically pleasing as possible by going to the end of the creek, which had a little fishing hole that had fish in it, but we couldn't connect with one. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little unboxing. Me and Steven are gonna actually die of some kind of sickness after all that, but who cares, right? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't left, can't even talk. If you haven't yet, leave a like and subscribe. And if you did that at the beginning of the video, well, enjoy your next 10 years of good luck. Hopefully the next video, it'll be pre-spawn, Missouri weather. I got 60s all week, I think. And that being said, the water's gonna warm up. Hopefully these fish get into pre-spawn and we can go out and just catch some giants. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I really don't know what to say. I'm gonna get in my car, go home, get in a steaming hot shower and try to thaw out because the water was extremely cold. Thought Steven was gonna die falling through a tree or something, but yep, I guess that's it. So hope you enjoyed, and folks, like always, stay hooked.